In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a quick tip on how to create a fillable workbook. Let's get into it. First, you're going to need a workbook. And for this video, I'm going to share with you how I use my brain questionnaire that I use for my clients and how I make it more customizable for them so that they can write in all of their answers in this workbook. This makes it so much easier for your clients or your customers to be able to use your workbook. And the online program that I use is PDF Escape, and you can get this free of charge. Just go to pdfescape.com and you'll be able to make your workbooks come to life just with a single click. So at the top, click on Use Free. And once you click on that, a pop-up will show up, and just click on Upload PDF and then choose the file that you want to upload. It will take a moment to load, but once it does, all of your workbook is there. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on Form Field right at the top. And there's different options that you can choose from here, but I'm just going to choose text. Comment below if you want to see a more in-depth tutorial on PDF Escape. Click on Select and then you'll be able to click anywhere on your workbook. Select the area that you want people to write on, and a green form field is going to pop up. All you'll have to do is drag and pull it to the desired length of your box. You can also customize the text box based around different types of fonts, and right now they just have a couple of fonts, but I like to use the Times New Romans. And you can also change the font size of it, and you can also bold it or italicize the font as well, and you can also change the color of the font. You can click on your form field and actually customize it the way that you want. I would say the signature you may have to bring up a tad bit just because it does read a little bit small. So if you wanted them to have a signature, then you would want that signature to be a little bit bigger. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to add in the rest of my text boxes. When you have the form field selected, you can just click and start tapping on any other areas that you want to add that text box to. And once you finish adding all of your text boxes, you can now go over to the icon that says Save and Download, and it's going to be the green icon, and you can save it right to your desktop. Go ahead and click on your download, and it's going to pop up in the next screen. And there you go, you have your fillable workbook. Now your clients or your customers can now go in and now answer all of the questions that you have inside of your workbook. Adding in this small little change to your customer's journey really sets the tone for your brand. And in order to save the changes, when you go up to the download button, make sure to click on with your changes so that when they save it, it'll save everything that they created inside of your workbook. And if you need help creating your new workbook, head on over and join the Shibo Stock membership, where I have lead magnet templates that have tons of workbooks inside, and you can be able to create a whole new workbook on your own, quick and easy, and you can go from this template to a branded workbook that fits your brand the best. To get more quick tips like this, head on over to this playlist.